You guys have one
I'm going to the top.
The top?
Yeah.
It'll be a moment before the elevator arrives.
Huh?
It'll be a moment before the elevator arrives.
All right.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, these are the glass elevators to the top of the Marriott Renaissance Center, Cochin Senior Restaurant, Detroit, Michigan. Express elevators. Look at that amazing view. I'm so glad I don't have a fear of heights. Look how much snow there is. You can barely see Windsor. For those of you who don't know, that's Windsor, Ontario, which is in Canada. These are Otis elevators, by the way. Modernized in, I believe, 2004. Yeah, 2004. Alright, here we're almost coming up to the top of the other towers. Look at that. You can actually see those towers from my hotel room. Kind of like the ones at the West Tree Plaza, St. West Tree Plaza in Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. I hope I'm saying that name right, because I sometimes forget the name of that place. I get it mixed up. So, please apologize. So I apologize for that. All right, let's get a better view of the cab. Nice cab, 72. All right, now let's get out here and get a view. It might be waiting a while though. Look at that, you can't see anything out there. Barely. All those cars. I think that might be the tunnel to Canada. Yeah, I think that is. Don't know for sure that. Yeah, it is.
Giants. It's Andrew's scene.
This restaurant's actually 2 stories. It's my second take. Look at all that snow.
Why are you going over?
Enjoy. Thank you, you too.
Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
Can't be afraid of heights when you can't see anything.
Yeah.
Right. It's easier.
Yeah, it's a lot easier.
Hey, you
the
can
view.
actually see Caesars though. You couldn't see that.
Oh yeah.
When did we come here?
September.
September. You can see things all night. So it was much scarier.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Very stuff.
Yeah.
Go back up.
Oh, I know. When? Do you know how to get to your room from here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Andrew will show us.
Navigation system.
By the process of elimination.
Yeah. We'll get there in a half hour.
Have a great evening.
Thank you. Thanks.
Did you get your video?
Yep.
Great. Have a great night.
You too.